Let's compare Koyfin and Tikr. Koyfin is polished, fast, and visually rich. It's built for investors who want a curated dashboard, pre-built screeners, and macro overlays. But that polish comes at a cost. You're working within Koyfin's framework. You can't export much, and customization is limited unless you pay for higher tiers. It's great if you like how Koyfin thinks, but frustrating if you want to dig deeper or build your own models. Tikr, on the other hand, is a data first platform. It gives you access to institutional grade financials, deep historical data, and global coverage, especially strong for international equities. It's less flashy, but you're free to explore, export, and analyze your terms. Power users love it for the raw access and flexibility, especially at a lower price point. Koyfin is ideal if you want a guided visual experience and don't mind staying inside their ecosystem. But if you want control, depth, and freedom to build your own insights, then Tikr is the better long term tool.